unfolds, whispers cold, a tale retold. Winds of sorrow, mournful cries, underneath the blackened skies. We heed the call, chains of fate forever bound. In the silence we are